In this chapter, let us learn Python JSON. JSON is a syntax of storing and exchanging data. JSON is text written with JavaScript object notation. JSON in Python. Python has a built-in package called JSON, which can be used to work with JSON data. First, you should import JSON module. Import the JSON module. Parse JSON, convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can parse it by using the JSON.loads method. The result will be a Python dictionary. For example, convert the JSON to Python. See, import JSON, see some JSON method, parse JSON.loads. Now the result is Python dictionary. It's changed to Python dictionary. The result is 30. Convert from Python to JSON. If you have a Python object, you can convert it into JSON string by using the JSON.dumps method. See example, convert from Python to JSON. See, now we are converting Python to JSON. This is Python method and this is JSON. The result is JSON string. See here, name Vishnu, AS 30, city Delhi. You can convert Python objects of the following types into JSON strings: dictionary, list, tuple, string, integer, float, true, false, none. Everything we can convert. See here, convert Python objects into JSON strings and print the values. See here, we are converting Python objects to JSON strings. See here, they are all converted. When you convert from Python to JSON, Python objects are converted into the JSON JavaScript equivalent. See here, Python and JSON. Dictionary, JavaScript is object. In dictionary list, array, tuple, array, string, string, int, number, float, number, true, true, false, false, none, null. See another example, import JSON. Now we are converting to JSON, the result is JSON string. See, they are all converted to JSON strings. Format the result. The example above prints a JSON string, but it is not very easy to read with no indentations and line breaks. The JSON dumps method as parameter to make it easier to read the result. See, use the indent parameter to define the number of indents. See, here it's clear. In up is, see, they are all totally confused, but here they are totally filtered and it's clear in this result. You can also define the separators default values quotes, dot, quotes, comma like that, which means using a comma and space to separate each object, and a colon and space to separate keys from values. See here, use the separators parameters to change the default separator. JSON dumps here indent for separators underscore comma and is equal to, they will be separate that one. See here, use and space to separate objects and space a is equal to and a space to separate keys from the values. See, now we are the result is separated. See here, order the result. The JSON.dumps method has parameters to order the keys in the result. Example, use the sort keys parameter to specify if the result should be sorted or not. See, JSON dumps indent for sort keys true. Yes, is the result. Okay friends, this is the end of part 29 JSON. In next video, let us learn about another topic, RegEx. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.